Hey guys, I hope you're all having a good day. So a lot of you have been saying this in my comment section, bring back cooking with Dante, bring back cooking with Dante. Even people have told me at the skate park, well like one guy told me at the skate park, and I was bring back cooking with Dante. And today we're bringing back cooking with Dante and we're in the kitchen. And I'm not really going to call the videos I'm cooking with Dante anymore, because it sounds kind of weird, and so I'm just going to name it whatever the dish and meal we're making. So yeah, and today we're making a toad in the hole. Some people might know it as, it's called a egg in the basket. And these are the ingredients you're going to need to make it. You're going to need some bread, an egg, I'm going to show it a little bit closer there, egg, some butter, and I don't mean the butter for buttering your bread, I mean it for the pan, because you don't, so your pan doesn't get sticky, so your bread and egg doesn't get sticky. And yeah, and guys, also use salt and pepper if you want. That's like an accessory if you want it or not. And so yeah, let's get right into making it. Bolo, bolo. Say hi to YouTube. Wait, there.
Hi YouTube. Hello YouTube.
So I got a question to ask you. Do you want me to make you a toad in the hole?
Please.
Guys, this is what should I call you? She was my nanny. She looked after me when I was a baby. And how was it? How was looking after me as baby Dante?
It was cool. You cry all the time, especially when I go home.
Facts that you know now. Now let's get to the actual cooking. Okay guys, so the first stage is to take your piece of bread and cut like a hole in the middle so the egg can go through. That's the stage we're doing now. Now that you've put your butter and got the hole into your bread, it's time to thing. And now you must crack the egg. So you put your piece of bread with the hole, and then you're supposed to put it onto the pan, and then you're supposed to crack your egg right there. So then half of the egg will go onto your bread, and a bit will go into that hole, because that's why it's called a toad in the hole. If you didn't know. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Here's yours.
Thank you.
You gotta take the first bite for the video. Yes, we need the viewers need a review from you. You understand?
Nice.
What do you rate it out of 1 to 10?
9.
That's very good. So good job, me. Well, guys, the toad in the hole is done. There it is. Yeah. And guys, now I'm gonna eat it because you know, while I make the food, I'm not gonna eat it, guys. And guys, I hope this video was helpful because I'm trying to make the cooking videos now more helpful so they can actually learn how to make the dish. Because my old ones, I used to just do time lapses and stuff, and then just shove food in my face, which could be entertaining, but like I want to be entertaining and helpful. So now I'm gonna eat mine, and then I'll tell you how I like mine. Boil pot is great. Well, guys, I'm done with my toad in the hole. And guys, this is a dish that you can make for breakfast. It's a breakfast dish. It's a nice quick thing. Fills you up until lunchtime, all that stuff. And yeah, it's just a great thing to have. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful and stuff. And now I want to see you guys make your own toad in the holes. And tag them and post them on Instagram and tag me at dantebazia.cpt. And that's all I gotta say. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And peace. And my dad's coming here. Dad, how did the video?
Good afternoon, young people. Oh, here I am. Good afternoon.
What happens if you're watching in the morning or afternoon?
Yeah,
It's a good time.
Good day.
That's good. That works. That's all I'm gonna say. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. And peace.